Oh, look at this. There's some hole over here, guys. Look. Look, the sheep is going to fall into this hole. Who knows what type of predator is living in this hole? What? But we have gopher tortoises out here. Hey! What's in here? Well, I don't want anything, other than the turtle that goes in there. Other animals go and share this hole as well. Snakes, foxes, coyotes, owls, So they're good for the environment, honestly, but they're not good for my pasture. Okay, they're not good for my pasture. I don't want all those predators here.